What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with the fundamental news that drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point when the price hit this resistance line at $14.15 price point and went slightly lower, and I've told you that we have to have some crazy movements around the $14 range. And as you can see, we have this massive surge in price. It was extremely harsh movement for about 17%, and then we have this massive bounce to the downside, and for now we are hovering at $13.8, slightly below the price point that we were previously. So what should we expect from the technical standpoint, I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news and what was the reason of these crazy movements. First of all, we all know that SOFI received its bank charter, and it was the main reason why we have massive surge in price from this bottom to this top. And as you can see, we have 36% movement to the upside during just 3 trading sessions, and we hit a previous swing high, and it was quite good resistance. So let me show you right here that SOFI Technologies stock soared 17%, building on yesterday's 14% jump when it obtained approval to become a national bank. Traders on CNBC's Top in the Tape program think the stock has more to go from Wednesday's gain. And right after this news, we have another article that was published on January the 20th, and that is titled "SOFI Hopelessly Overvalued. Fair value of $7." And it is quite bearish article, and let me quote you just a summary of this article, and it says SOFI's stock is obscenely overvalued. Both member and revenue growth have begun to slow. Slower growth in the coming quarters must be anticipated. And because there is nothing common with the SOFI's current position, and I have to say that one of the key points of this article is that SOFI was the pandemic stock that gained its momentum during the pandemic hit, and for now eventually it will be an ordinary stock without any upside potential. And it says that digital banking is not the big thing in banking system, but let me show you this. We are on CNBC.com, and this article was published on January 21st, and it says US banks close record number of retail branches in 2021. Wells Fargo shutters most. And let me quote you this. US banks closed a record number of retail branches in 2021. On net, US banks shuttered 2,927 branches last year, according to S&P Global Market Intelligence data. Wells Fargo was the top net branch closer in 2021, closing on net 267 retail locations. So, as you can see, the classical banking system is moving to the digital area, and one of the most advanced company in this area is the SOFI. And for now it has a bank charter, and this means it has a huge upside potential, and in my opinion the growth will continue, especially if you consider that for now we have next upcoming catalyst, and definitely it will be their earnings report of Q4 2021 and full year 2021. On top of that, on February 13th, in just 3 weeks, we will see the Super Bowl game on the SoFi Stadium, and this means a lot of people will pay their attention on the SoFi Stadium, and this will bring more customers, more potential customers to their system. So, and definitely we have a lot of storms on the markets right now. Let me show you that all the indexes are in red. Dow Jones lost about 1.3%, S&P 500 1.89%, Nasdaq 2.72%, Russell 2000 1.78%. So we are deeply in red, and as you can see on the heat map of S&P 500, we have the majority of these companies deeply in red, and this means it is quite difficult times for traders and investors. But let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's take a look on a bigger picture, and let me show you, let me mark first of all this resistance. It might be another good range of control, and we have this massive movement to the downside from its previous swing high, from the range of about 24.59 all the way down to about $12, and it is a 50% decrease during just 2 months. And I have to say that 50% decrease from previous swing high, it is an algo target, and the majority of algo traders added their long position right here, exactly at the 50% price point from the previous swing high. And as you can see, we have increase in volume. This means this range of about $12 to $13 is extremely powerful range of support with the huge attention from investors. And definitely with this increase in volume, we might see next leg to the upside, but we have to be cautious because of the total sentiment of the market. So for now, we have a very good catalyst, very good fundamental catalyst, that is definitely a SOFI's bank charter. So what should we expect next? In my opinion, it is quite difficult to make any breakdowns according to Elliott wave theory of this movement, and the only thing that for now I can see for sure is the ABC correction. And if it is the case, if it is the ABC, we should break the bottom of our B wave in order to confirm this movement, and if we will break this range, it will invalidate this movement to the upside as our motive wave, and we might see even lower targets, lower than $12 price point. But for now, let me show you another point of control, and right here, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top to this point, we have first touch right here of the golden pocket pattern. And if this range holds, if the range in between $13.57 and $13.71 holds, we will have a next leg to the upside. So for now we have to be extremely cautious because of the market sentiment, but from the investor standpoint, this asset is still undervalued, and that's why you can add to your position on a daily red candles despite of this movement to the downside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!